Welcome to History 1. My name is Rick Murray, and I wanted to introduce myself and welcome you to the class. The good news is this class is only 5 weeks. The bad news is this class is only 5 weeks. It is a 3-unit class like a regular semester class, and we will be discussing the same amount of, covering the same amount of material as a regular semester class. So you need to be able to be sure to invest the significant amount of time to be successful in the class. To get started, carefully read the syllabus. At the bottom of the syllabus is a box to check that you do acknowledge the terms of the syllabus. Many of the tabs in Etudes will not open until you have done that. Next, you want to go to discussions and private messages. And once you're there, near the top is a forum called Cyber Cafe. Carefully read the posts that I put there. They will help you get started. In addition to a midterm and a final exam, we will be covering 11 chapters. There will be a quiz for each chapter, and we'll be discussing the chapters in preparation for the exams. We will be covering 2 chapters every week, except the last week, there will be 3 chapters. In the discussions, you will respond to 2 of my questions from different chapters in at least 400 words, and then respond to 4 classmates in at least 125 words. So 6 posts per week. They must be on 2 different days at least, and the deadline for the responses to my questions, you can read about that in discussion postings in the Cyber Cafe or in the syllabus. The discussions will prepare us for the exams. Look in resources. There is a study guide for the midterm and final. Of the 6 questions, 4 will be on the exam, and you will pick 2 to write on. To make sure you're prepared, you need to prepare for 4 of those questions. That way, no matter what 4 are on the exam, you'll have at least 2 that you've prepared for to respond to. When we're discussing the material, you should also be preparing for the exams. Otherwise, it's just going to be too overwhelming. Several of the questions we will be discussing are related to the exam questions. And what I would suggest is look at the midterm study guide, and then pick 4 questions to focus on. And as we're discussing the material related to those questions, you can begin to prepare outlines or rough drafts. You may use your discussion postings in your exam, anything as long as it's in your words, but the exam questions will be longer than the discussion questions. The 2 most important things, number 1, be sure to keep up. I don't allow late posting and late quizzes, so be sure to keep up. And then also of importance is to be sure that you ask me any questions that if anything is unclear. So welcome, and get started as soon as you can. Thank you.